Good morning, guys. So here I am today making another video about road safety and road sign, what you need to do, what not to do on the street. Another stop sign, the left signal is a cop car, and you can see a beautiful view of New York City. 10 miles per hour. I'm going downhill. It's very downhill. I'm at the mountain coming down. I'm at the Fort Lee, I believe.
Just ahead, turn right on Archer Street.
And it's a two-way, so you need to be careful and coming slow. You do not want to make a mistake. You see the guy walking.
Turn right on
I
Archer
don't
Street.
know why, but there is no sidewalk. He's coming down. I'm making a right. Just careful with the guy.
Turn left on River Road.
Came to a stoplight. I'll be making a left turn. People are busy making it so rush. Especially waiting for the red light to be green. Okay, do not run. He was an adult guy, so when we are driving, most of the time we think that he's an adult guy and he will understand, but sometimes they behave like kids. We think he can wait, but actually he do not want to wait. He want to run and pass.
Just ahead, turn right on Binghamton Way.
Not 545 county.
Turn right on Binghamton Way, then make a sharp right turn.
And we are gonna make it right. Most of the time the road lines are not clear, so no parking fire lane, so you should not be
Turn left to
parking
stay on
here.
Binghamton Way.
You should not be parking here. Let's park on a safe spot. Okay, we are going to this Mr. Bed. I'm going to Ariston. It's a 15-minute parking, so I'll be here. I'm at the Edgewater. Let's see. So if you see any sign like that, so make sure you respect that, because a lot of time they tow your car, and this happened with me one time, and I paid them $250. Okay, so it's a parking lot for this marketplace.
Turn left on Binghamton Way.
Okay, stop sign. Stop sign is a stop sign. So even if it is in a marketplace or any parking lot, you should stop. I saw so many people do not stop. That's awkward.
Turn left on Russell Avenue.
Seems like they do not care the security, and sometimes they forget about the rules.